Hey guys. First off, let me just say Happy New Year. I don't know if I said Happy New Year yet. I don't know. You know what? I probably recorded a couple clips. You guys haven't seen it because I haven't uploaded it yet. So, first off, once again, Happy New Year's. Happy 2019 to you all. And I pray that whatever you guys are wishing for this year, that in God's willing that He grants you with it. So, bless y'all. So yes, remember my recent videos, what was it, my hair challenge of 2019. I did announce that I was going to do a hair challenge for the whole year of 2019. Okay, so the challenge was to basically make sure that I have a hairstyle whenever I do leave this house. Okay, I have to make sure that I always have a hairstyle every month. It can be the same kind of hairstyle like I have here. You guys know her. You'll see it in a second. I'll put it on my head. It can be the same hairstyle for the month. You can switch it up and do whatever styles with it. Or you can do multiple different styles. Like, I have another hairstyle in mind for the month of February right now. And I can't wait to reveal it to you guys. You don't understand. But for right now, let's deal with right now. Okay. So, in the previous clips, I showed you guys the hairstyle that I've used, how I prepped the hair, and all kind of things, and the prices of things that I bought, and everything. I think for the whole year 2019 is going to be reasonably priced hairstyles. So stay tuned for all of those videos. I can't wait to drop it with you guys. But right now, I keep saying right now, I'm going to reveal my hairstyles that I've been wearing for the month of January of 2019. So yes, here she is. Hey y'all. Okay, so y'all know in the last clip I showed you guys the hair that I got, the amount of packs, the tool that I use, the crocheting tool, and this wig cap, but it's a wig net cap, whatever it's called. And I got a wig cap as well to wear underneath it, which I have on right now. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. 3 packs. I crocheted them individually. Almost done. I did put it on. So right here is literally right at the beginning of my hairline. So I had to try it on to see like where this wig cap is, if I had to cut it or not, and I don't. So I'm going to put the hair all the way up to the brink of this. And it's because when I crochet it, you guys are going to see, I'm going to demonstrate, I guess, at least once. See all these spaces? I got to fill that in. So, I loop, like, how do I explain this? Like, I loop the crochet tool through, like, 3 of these holes, or even 4. And then I tie it in to 1. So that's what makes the cap a little bit, like, if you're worried about if the cap is too loose, just loop the holes in to 3 or 4. But yeah, so this is 3 packs. Obviously it wasn't enough, but it's full. I did curl the ends with hot water and a rolling, what is it called? A flexi rod. So I flexi rodded it and spiral curls, I guess, around flexi rods, and dipped it in hot water for 10 seconds. Dabbed it with a towel for like 2 seconds, and it dried, of course. This is not, you know, human hair, synthetic, it dries fast. And this is how it came out. I like it. I love it, actually. And yeah, I only did that portion. The rest of the hair is still straight ends. But you guys, I love this hair so stinking much. It's not even funny. I love it. But yeah, so I'm going to finish this. I just recently came back. I got 2 more packs because, yeah. So in all total, you need 5 packs of hair to complete this. Depending on how you do it, you might just need 3 or 4. 3 to 4 packs, but I need 5, okay? I have some areas that I need to fill in. Hello. So, remember that hair I showed y'all? So this is it. What did I do? I oiled it, of course, gave it a little shine, and twisted it down, dipped it in hot water. So it's a little bit less, it's a little bit more tamed. So this is the hair. I love it, super cute. Super duper cute. Some are still twisted in the back. The rest is just undone. I didn't fluff it out, nothing like that. So yeah, I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna do my face up real quick, and I'm gonna. Hey y'all, I'm back. So this is what the hair looks like on me. This is the finished look. I'll flip it around to this side. Obviously, it's a wig, so it's like obviously gonna look like that right there. But for tonight, I'm just gonna have like a flip around look. So like, yeah, you see, it's working on its own. That's what I love about this hair, working on its own. This is how I got it. I basically just put some from here to right here and flip this around to like that. Kind of tucked it in. The hair stays in place. It's the blessing of it. So this is how I'm gonna wear it tonight. This is look 1. Oops. See? This is look 1. Remember her? She's a little bit more tamed now. As you can see, she's a little bit more flat. Ooh, child. She getting hooked on the thing. The ends are kind of messed up. Every time I twist it, I retwist it every time when I'm about to go out, which is in a few hours. Okay, right now. And I clip the ends because this hair is like my hair, and what it does is it tangles a little bit at the end. Well, not my hair. My hair doesn't do that. But yeah, I love this hair so much. You don't understand. You can do so much with it. And as you guys can see, I used a fishnet stocking cap. That's what I call it. And crocheted on there. And then I have these wig caps. Yes, I use brown wig caps. Okay, I don't want the black ones. Where I'm going, it's not very noticeable, so this color doesn't really bother, but yeah. Okay, so this is 1. Look 1. You guys see that I have this showing here. So what I do is I take a group of twists, or unravel twists right here, and slightly stretch it, not too much. I want it to be still fluffy, to kind of hold it in place. I don't use pins in this because it kind of gets lost in this wig. So basically I use the cap as my little holder, so I kind of wrap it under and tuck it under the cap. That's my little secret. Shh. So yeah, I do stuff like this, so it could be like a cute little, tiny little swoop. I like this. It's cute. This is my look 1. Let's get ready for look 2. I reuse my sister's beads. So I only have 3 golden ones here. Okay. So what I do is I didn't unravel all the twists, so you have a twist right here, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I have 2 twists here. I'm going to put 2 gold beads on one, and the other one I'm going to put 1. Up. Right? I take these clips right here and hide it inside of my updo right here because this hair is very big, so it hides a lot of stuff. So I'm taking it, kind of poking it through to hold it in place. And tie it together. That's the most important part. But to top it off, I just tie it together like this. Okay? And have it dangling like that as like a little updo. It's cute. But to cover this, right, that I look more like, I feel like a bohemian Jasmine with this hairstyle. It's nice and big. I wanted this hairstyle to be a big statement to everything. From here to the side and tucked it under my wig. So I took this group of hair so that I can cover the portion that I didn't cover, so like right here. And I kind of just do like a careless kind of see if I could pull off a look 4 for you guys. I twisted it like this on this side going this way, and I tucked it under, and I'm giving myself a double line, and I'm twisting it, trying to make sure I'm doing this right. Stay tuned for my next hairstyle for the month of February of the year 2019. I cannot wait to reveal it to you guys. I've already had it in mind while I was buying this hair. Yeah, but excuse me if I'm excited, but this little new hairstyle thing each and every day of my life in the year not even just 2019, in like a year in general, is new to me. I don't do my hair a lot. I just make sure that it's washed and it's moisturized and it's twisted and put away. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to tamper with my hair too much. I don't even like the sun to be on it too much. Like, very dramatic. But this is why I'm so excited and I'm so animated, because I'm not used to this. You know, this is very new to me. So this is my challenge for myself, for my own personal thing. I'm making sure that I'm doing hairstyles, but also treating my natural hair underneath. So this is very new to me. So excuse me for being so animated and so crazy. But yeah, I'm very excited I was so excited to show you guys this hair. I'm very excited to show you guys for the month of February. I can't wait. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, co-workers, family, whomever. Just make sure you share it. And you are already here, so subscribe. There's a red button down below this video. Click on that. Click on the bell that's right next to it so that you guys are notified whenever you know I post a video. And yeah, comment as well. Comment down below what you think I'm going to do for my new hairstyle for the month of February. I can't wait to see you guys' answers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for my next videos, and I hope you guys are doing a hair challenge with me for the year 2019, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.